Okay, it's in. I rolled it up from the driver's side window. Guess I gotta put that little piece back in there. And I'm gonna get some clips, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm actually amazed. Thank you, Evan, for your encouragement. I wanted to call you really bad today for a helpline, but it's Sunday. Don't call your loosely friend, mostly mechanic, on a Sunday. They don't like that. And it's in. So maybe a little lithium grease there. Maybe I'll put a little lithium grease on that rail. I think I'm going to call it a day because I feel really successful, and I'll finish. I got to get these right here. Let me see. I like that one. I like that one. Okay. And I like maybe